Have you ever found yourself stuck in a never-ending cycle of procrastination, unable to focus on even the simplest tasks? You're not alone. According to a recent study by the University of California, Los Angeles, over 90% of college students experience procrastination at some point in their academic careers. But what if you could break free from this cycle and achieve your goals? Procrastination is often thought of as a simple lack of motivation, but research suggests that it's actually a complex issue rooted in neuroscience. When we put off tasks, it's not just because we're lazy or lack discipline. It's because our brains are wired to prioritize pleasure and avoid pain. This is known as the pleasure-pain principle, and it's a fundamental aspect of human behavior. So, how can we use this knowledge to our advantage? One effective method is called the 2-minute rule. This simple technique involves breaking down large tasks into smaller, manageable chunks